This is an amazing 3-bedroom house suitable for any potential homeowner. The house comprises of modern and contemporary amenities. The building has an area of 185.2 square meters with a construction budget of approximately $405,150. The building can comfortably sit on a land of size 24 by 21 meters and an area of 504 square meters. There is also enough space for car parking and other outdoor activities. The layout of the plan with their respective areas are as follows. Walkthrough. The living area. With an area of about 21 square meters, the living area is very warm and inviting. This modern living area has been carefully created to make it free-flowing. Meanwhile, the living space offers a completely different ambience with the use of its bright-colored walls. Walkthrough. Dining area. The living area leads us directly into the dining area through an archway. The space contains a set of table and chairs used primarily for eating. Walkthrough. Kitchen. This is a spacious kitchen which is efficient, beautiful and functional. The setup of the counter is an L-shaped one. Cupboards and cabinets have also been provided to serve as storage units. For outdoor activities, a back terrace has been provided. A kitchen store has also been provided to serve as the main storage point. Walkthrough. Master bedroom. The master bedroom is spacious and elegant. The master is a suite with its washroom and a walk-in closet. Walkthrough. Bedrooms 1 and 2. The other 2 bedrooms have different sizes and room arrangements. The rooms are sizable and each comes with its own wardrobe. The 2 bedrooms share a common washroom which can also be used by a visitor as well. Thanks so much for watching and supporting this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.